Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have developer enabled. Open the VBA editor with Alt plus F11 and insert a module. First, pick a target sheet. Use worksheets, sheet 1 or active sheet to be explicit. Then use range, A1. Select or cells 1-1. Select to choose a single cell. You do this because select acts on the active window. Once done, wrap the call in a sub and include error handling for missing sheets. Make sure to avoid select when you can work directly with range objects for speed. Now you expand selection control. Find last row via cells, rows count 1, end Excel up, row and then use range cells 1-1, cells last row last call. Select to grab dynamic data blocks. When you need relative movement, use offset, row offset, call offset, and resize rows calls so you don't hardcode addresses. For multiple areas, union range, A1, A3, range, C1, C3. Select combines them. Make sure to fully qualify ranges with worksheets. Sheet 1, when manipulating other sheets to avoid surprises. Finish by applying actions to the selected cell or, better, to the range object itself, range, A1. Value equals 5 writes directly without selecting. Use application. Screen updating equals false and application. Enable events equals false for faster macros. Remember to restore them. If you must select, always activate the correct workbook and worksheet first. Troubleshooting tip. Runtime error 1004 often means an unqualified range or inactive sheet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.